everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am coming to you with a surprise unboxing. Why do I say it's a surprise? Because I am on a purchase ban. Yes, I went overboard in the last May, 2 new releases with Diamond Art Club, and that means that I'm on a ban for a while. So don't worry, I have plenty of video content besides unboxings. I have some post reviews I'm behind on and different things like that. But I was in conversation with Diamond Dotz because I have never had a Diamond Dotz, and Leisure Arts contacted me and I did a review on them, and they are a subset of Diamond Dotz. So I'm going to put the unboxing right here. You can go look at that, and there's also a post review that will come up again with another eye. So I'll also put links down below in the description of those unboxings and post reviews of Leisure Arts, as they are part of the Diamond Dotz Club. However, I've never had a Diamond Dotz before. So I have been working with Dennis at Diamond Dotz, and he said, you know what, we would love to send you a review. Which one do you want? Now, I owe this all to Stitcherista because she bought one off of eBay that I was absolutely in love with. And you cannot get it here in the States. And so I'm like, you know what? Because you're offering, I'm actually going to take advantage of that, and I'm going to get one that I can't get here in the United States, because if I love the product, then I can get some here in the United States of other options. So yeah, so I had this conversation with them probably about a month ago and never received anything, and so I just thought, okay, you know, this is not how it's gonna, I'm not gonna get it, whatever, you know. But then all of a sudden this showed up at my door, and my husband's like, wait a second, I thought you said you weren't gonna order anything and didn't have anything from China coming. And I'm like, I promise, I'm not lying to you, I haven't ordered anything. I do have something small coming that's not diamond painting. I mean, it's diamond painting related, but it's not a diamond painting. That we'll probably unbox once it gets here, of course. But I was like, oh my gosh, you're right, this is something from China, but don't worry, I didn't spend any money on it. So this is a Diamond Dotz, and it's Dragon Princess. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. Now, the box itself got a little squished, but you know what? I really don't care if a box gets squished. That's the whole reason it's in a box. It is to save the integrity of the painting itself. What I love about Diamond Dotz is they have their branding and add some sparkle to your world, and then it says it includes, you've got your diamond art kit is inside. Now, what is your diamond art kit? Well, on the back, they tell you, and this is on all their boxes, you get a high quality color printed fabric piece. This size is 93 by 75, so that's 3 foot by 29 inches. You get 1 Diamond Dotz stylist, you get 1 craft tray, 1 wax caddy, and 1 comfort grip. You get a pre-sorted by shade, the little Diamond Dotz themselves, and then you get an instruction manual in here. They also have how it works, 3 tips right here on the box. On the side, they show you the actual diamond area. So this is a partial. So the outside, this white part, you don't diamond paint, but the inside you do. And then on the reverse side, they have the design. So they show you the outside design itself. So I really like how they have everything on the box. They also have different, this is advanced expert level, so they have different levels. I think the levels are based on how much diamonds that you stick on. This looks like it also has some special drills in it. Oh dear. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So it says Dragon Princess right on here. And there's some dust on the outside packaging, so we'll see if that's inside as well, but this could have been sitting on a warehouse shelf. This is why I have my lovely Purell next to me that I use so that I don't accidentally inhale anything or rub my face when you're opening some of the China mail. That's my little tip for you. So they also have their Diamond Dots logo here. Add some sparkle to your world is on their canvas. Now let's see what we got. Oh, this thing is huge, guys. Okay. One thing I know from Leisure Arts is that Diamond Dots company has its own Diamond Dots color coding system. You can see right there. So they're not DMC. Oh, look at this. Woo! Awesome! Oh, gorgeous. So this is a woman standing next to a dragon. And then here's your instruction manual. It comes in multiple languages. And it also has pictures for you, for those of you who are new to diamond painting. So the background and her skin are the parts that are not painted. It has 28 normal colors and 4 specialty. And then it is the poured glue. It's very sticky. And it also does a good job of staying as close as it can to the glue. Now, one thing which I mentioned in Leisure Arts is I really like how this company helps you with, I'm going to get up close and personal here. They do help you with where to put the circles, so you can see the symbols are very clear. But most of them, unless it's a white one, it has a black circle around it. But most of them just change the transparency. So the inside is the same color as the outside, but the transparency is different, so that it develops a natural circle. And I love that, because then when I place the diamonds or the dots, you don't have that outside circle around it in case you don't place it exact. So I really like that about the Diamond Dots company. But isn't that gorgeous, guys? Look at those colors. I'm so into aqua. That's another reason why I picked this. And I'm very picky about my partials. And Diamond Dots does mostly partials. They have a couple. I'm just going to flip this over. The canvas quality is up there. It's got the ridges. They've serged the edge for in case it does, you know, wear down and come undone. You have a stopper right there all the way around the edge. Down here at the bottom, you have the name of it. You've got the design area and the diamond area, so while you're working on it, you know what to expect. Love it. Okay, so this does feel like it's been on a warehouse shelf for a while, but I don't care as long as it's packaged well inside. You always got to give some grace. Not everything can be perfect. Oh my gosh, guys. There's no dust inside. This is beautiful. These colors are so vibrant. Okay, so here is the wax caddy. And it's got etched in it the Dreamer Designs logo. That's kind of cool that it's etched now instead of a sticker. Awesome, upping your game. It's got a one placer, a squishy, a gray tray, and some baggies. I've noticed I'm not a huge fan, and again, it's just user preference of the clear trays. Because of my light pad, I feel like I can't focus. I like the white trays or the gray or something that has a solid color on the back. Okay, so Diamond Dots also weighs their dots, as they call it. This is kind of interesting. It's on a slant. It doesn't affect anything. But you've got these pretty teardrops. And then you've got, these are kind of specialty. You've got little circles. I think these are for the earrings by her face. And then just a normal tan. And then all these beautiful like greens and aquas. You've got these tan colors. A lot of 8415, that's their color. I don't know. Darker tan. And then all of these beautiful blues right here. Gorgeous. And then more specialty. They're rhinestones. And then some yellows, some blues. I'm getting there on my lighting, guys. I promise. I found what I want. I know I promised it was coming. I just am such a perfectionist. If I'm going to buy it once, that's all I want to buy it. So it'll get there. Be patient. But these colors are gorgeous. Let me see if... Oh, it still gives you a green tone. Sorry about that. But they're absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so as far as star quality, you know, I would definitely, if you go back to my review sheet, the canvas, the feel, the size, the glue, symbols, absolutely full star. Drills, the packaging was great. The dots all look uniform. Quality packaging where the number's readable, everything's readable, so that's a full star. Shipping, I'm going to give it a star just because it came. You know, this was something that was for a review and they didn't really tell me when it was shipped. I will say as soon as it was shipped, Dennis sent me the tracking number and it came within like a week of the tracking number. So that I'm going to give a full star. Advertising of the product, I got exactly what I wanted. An overall impression. Would I go and buy this? Absolutely. There are two ABs. One is white and one is like this seafoam green color. So that's going to be gorgeous. So yeah, I'm super excited to do this. Right now I'm getting ready for our June 1st Diamond Paint Along. Don't forget, that is the Who I Am. And then I'm also going to be doing Frog Princess as my second project. But this one should be pretty close after that because I want to get it reviewed. And I could just throw caution to the wind and do it. You know how it goes in the diamond painting world. So thank you so much for all that you do. Thank you for loving on each other. Thank you for supporting the channel. And I can't wait until next time we chat. Take care. Bye-bye.